getting her cleaned up a little bit. The air filter was basically disintegrated. I have a picture of that. Here's some pieces of it. Doing an oil change right now. Oil didn't look too bad, but not too great. It smells like gas, so I don't think that's good. It looks old, but it's not actually, looking at it up here isn't too dirty or anything, but not great. So doing that, I gotta figure out how to restore this part of it. I don't know what it's supposed to look like new, but it seems like it's not in horrible shape. This thing must have been stored in a barn or in a shed all the time, because it's, for it being I think it's back in the 70s, late 70s, early 80s, because there's not even any paper manual for it or anything. It's before that time, I guess, but this engine's pretty common. I found the model and type there, so it's a Briggs & Stratton 130202, types 1666-01, 5 horsepower. It's just crazy how well built things are back then, how the whole carb is metal and everything is really, I was looking up some videos. It seems like it's going to be pretty easy to work on this and restore it. So yeah, I bought a kit to redo the carb. It looks like these seals are not good here. It was leaking, I think. So hopefully, like, it ran when I bought it, but didn't seem to run the greatest, but hopefully I can get it just by cleaning the carb, doing an oil change. Hopefully it will run pretty good after that. And then I'm gonna grease the bearings here and get this cleaned up and sharpened if I have to, or replace any spacers or hammers or blades or anything I need to. It looks like there's only one blade for the side chute here, which is right here. So I just have to take this whole wheel off, I guess, and can sharpen that blade up and then figure out what I need for here. But it seems like everything's there. So I got a whole carburetor rebuild kit on eBay and took the carburetor apart, cleaned it, put it back together with new seals, and when I started it up the first time, it was leaking gas out of the top of the tank where it connects to the carburetor. So right here you'll see where it was leaking out, and that's the seal I had to replace. So I actually got cork gasket material and cut my own gasket, and that worked out. So here's the carburetor. Like I said, this thing's built really well. It's all metal and I don't really have to replace much, thankfully. So I just cleaned everything up really good. Got a new air filter in there. Put it back together, and then here she is. I didn't have to do anything to the hammers. They work fine. Here's the first day I used it, and here's a quick video. This is only the first day I ever used it, so I got better at loading it, so don't make fun of me.
These are all Miscanthus gigantus stalks that I'm chipping, and the main reason I got this machine, because I have these growing all around my house. You could see them to the left of my shed there. They get pretty tall, and the stalks are like bamboo, sort of. So I'm using this as mulch and bedding material for my chickens.